Hey guys, so we're here because Island Boy has been bit by a dog. He was at a family friend's house and the dog was eating and Island was patting the dog, and the dog took a bite out of Island's lip, and this is what it looks like. So we're waiting on the doctor to see what's happening, and hopefully, it's not too bad and we can go home soon. So yeah, we're really not happy about the situation, as you can see. But yeah, just exhausted, and it's been a long day. You want to say anything, Arland? You want to say something? No? Nothing? Okay. We'll check back in a little while, guys. So, hey guys, Island has something to show us. Where did you go today, Island?
I went to doctors in,
Dentist.
I went to dentist in sunny time, and now I got this 16 sugar from 16 Coke sugar.
Okay, what does that mean?
No more sugar. And I have to brush my teeth, and no more sugar I can eat if I go to the doctor's again.
Good job. Oh, so relaxing.
Here comes our big bright light. This is going to help us see all of the teeth. And we're going to have a good count of them and see how many you've got. Okay?
Okay.
How many do you reckon you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 teeth. Oh my goodness, that's a pretty good guess. Okay, we're going to have a good look around. And this is my little puffy air. I'm going to feel a bit tickly. Okay, it's going to tickle all of the back teeth so I can see them a little bit better. Okay, big stretch open for me. Good job. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up the top. Such a good guess. Okay, let's check down the bottom too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 down the bottom as well. Oh my goodness. 20 teeth. You're like a little shark. Teeth everywhere. Okay, and can you just chart areas on the mesial of the 5, 1 and 6 one? Let's have a probe as well. Thank you.
Okay, everybody, what is this next to Coke?
Peach iced tea.
Peach iced tea. Okay, so the black one of the street down here. And what is this?
The last one is 0 because it's water. So water is the best thing for you.
It's water. Price.
No, that's energy water.
Oh, energy. Rich energy water faster.
Mm.
It makes us faster. I need to drink it and make faster.
Mm.
And no one will catch me.
No one will catch you.
Yeah.
No
But-
even kukuruku.
No. So many Coco-Wocos are going to get me. And I'm not going to be scared of them. And I'm going to get a knife out of the kittens and leave it on my bed. And I'm going up, I'm going to chop it off. And,
Chop what off?
and
Kuruku.
what is this
8.
one?
8.
8.
8 sugars in that. It's bad.
And the water?
That's not water. That's sports drink. 9 sugars.
And what's this number?
9.
9. And what's this number of this other Coke?
7.
7. What's this other number?
I can't see. Show me. 16.
In this number.
25.
In this number.
6.
In this number.
The best one, 0, water.
Oh,
That's what the dentist said for you. You have to drink water.
oh okay. Okay.
No more candy drink.
Okay.
No more bubble gum.
Let's go get another thing out here. Another thing in here.
Dad, you're on camera. What do you want to say, Grandpa?
Yeah.
There. He's a good dad. Goes to work, comes home, helps around the house, cooking, cleaning, helps Mum a lot. Because I
What is this?
struggling this
What
last
is
week.
this? What is this?
Take my time. Do you want to talk about what happened at the dentist? Tell them what happened. Show the teeth. Did you tell everyone what happened here?
Oh no.
Lala's dog bit you. No, Clayton's dog bit you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's Clayton's dog. It's Clayton's dog. Clayton's dog. His name's Artie. But the Clayton's dog is Artie's name, and his dog.
And what happened? Your dog bit you and almost took out the bit of your lip. And luckily, he didn't need stitches or anything. He
didn't
fine,
bite my.
but we
he
spent
didn't
how
bite
many
my,
hours
he,
in the
he
hospital,
didn't,
Dad?
He didn't bite my teeth, though.
Yeah, we spent
Mom,
a bit of
Mom,
hours.
what's this? What is this?
Oh, it's just a number for your teeth, but we're talking about your dog bite now. Did it hurt when the dog bite you?
Yeah, it did hurt. It's bleeding.
Really bad.
Yeah, really bad.
It's like you kissed the dog.
No, I didn't.
Did I?
Island. That's a bit rough.
No, Mom, it's not rough.
You're showing everyone, our family tribe, that you're a naughty boy.
No, everyone, I got stickers, so I have to put them out.
No, what the stickers say? Show. Brush your teeth in the morning and night. Eat more fruits and vegetables. Choose to drink water. Have regular dental checkups. That's the stickers.
Wait, is that spicy thing?
No.
What is it?
Toothbrush.
Toothbrush. Toothbrush spicy.
Yep.
Okay, everyone, this is toothbrush spicy, and this is healthy fruits and water and dental teeth. Another one. Here. What I got? Ooh, new toothbrushes.
Yep, we're going to use that tonight to brush your teeth.
Yeah.
Very good. We're going to go do that shortly.
Okay. So I have to put it there. And when we open it, we have to put it in the bathroom. Don't slap my bum. Oh, no, I'm not going to say that in the video. I'm not. I'm definitely not going to say that. And what's this? Ooh. Wow. It's look like I have this teeth or this teeth or this teeth.
You tell me, what teeth do you have? Show everyone.
I got
Show everyone here. Put it up here like this.
the
Hold it up. Show me.
I have this I just have this up here. Right there. I have that. And I was eating pizza.
I think you got... Show everyone your teeth. Smile. That's from eating candy. There. That little black spot.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
But it's not good. Candy. Check your child. See my child. Healthy teeth. White lines along the gum line.
gum line. It's
Brown or yellow spots that don't brush off. Show me. No.
I was going to put it there. There's another one. Ooh, a bracelet. It's a bracelet.
You can wear it.
Okay. That one's for that.
Oh,
Another
goodness.
one. Now another one. It's toothbrush. It's toothpaste.
What's that?
It's toothpaste.
Yep, that's for your teeth.
Yeah. So another thing up here. No, there's nothing here. Wait. Some more in here. No.
That's it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, what do you say to everyone?
Okay, so
Thanks for watching.
thanks for watching our videos. Okay, everybody, what I got from this? Sugar, no candies for my vintage doctors. Hey, what was that vet?